Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. And in today's video I'm going to review the mixed pulses right here from DMart. So I've been to DMart recently and I purchased myself some mixed pulses, and today we are going to review this. So what is this mixed pulses? Basically the reason I bought this is for like my evening snacks. So I want to try and start eating healthy, so I thought like what's the best thing for snacks, and I thought of buying these mixed pulses which I can boil and make like chana chaat and eat. So I bought this from DMart and it comes in a very simple packaging. Like you can see like a plain plastic packaging right here with DMart Premier branding on top of it. It says mixed chana vatana for sprout, and the net weight of this is 500 grams. So this is a mix of chana and vatanas. Different types of chanas and different types of vatanas are there in this. So this is a mix of that what I have right here, and very simple packaging, nothing much fancy on this. You can see the mix with chana and vatana straight out from the packet itself, so the quality looks good. Moving on to the back of the packaging date is given here. MRP of this product is ₹69, and the expiry date, use by date is also given here, and the net quantity like I mentioned is 500 grams for this. So this is a mixed chana vatana pack that I have, and it has a mix of like black vatanas, white vatanas, green chanas, green vatanas, red chanas, small red chanas. I think Kabuli chanas are missing. Kabuli chanas are not there. So there are 4 types of here, 2 types of chanas and 3 types of vatanas are there. So there is white vatana, green vatana and small black vatanas are there, and then there are small green chanas, brown chanas which are there in this pack. So very nice. If you are looking to have a nice healthy snack, you can like soak them overnight, and the next day you can boil it and have it. It becomes a very nice nutritious snack for yourself. So yes, you can also make nice misal out of this. So soak it and next day you can make misal as well from this. You can make mixed chana vatana sabzi as well. So very versatile product. So if you are looking to buy it, it's available in DMart. You can purchase it from there. Now DMart is also available online, so you can order at home as well. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.